Am I rolling? Am I rolling? Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. My name is Andrew Zimmern, and I'm here to tell you why I'm going to be Tastemade's next Grill Week host. I've heard that the Tastemade theme this year is Hot Grill Summer. Obviously, I'm a perfect fit. It has come to my attention that many people find grill gear to be confusing. But as a seasoned professional, I can tell you the difference between meat shredders and marshmallow roasters.
Hey Andrew, you want to try these?
Oh, don't tell me. Crunchy. I'm tasting the wild grassy fields of central Mexico, sunshine, the kiss of little chili. These are delicious. I'm such a well-seasoned grilling professional that I prefer to use barbecue jargon in everyday life.
Hey Andrew, how are you feeling today?
Medium rare. Anyone smell smoke? And that's why you should vote for me, Andrew Zimmern, the future Grill Week host class of 2025.
And cut.
Safety first! Safety first!